Hi, I'm Angelo, product manager at Metra PowerSports, and today I want to tell you about a new product. Introducing our universal LED light bar brackets, the MPS B01, MPS B02, and MPS B03. Made for multiple applications, each is made from high carbon stamped steel with a durable, weather-resistant black crinkle coat finish. These heavy-duty mounting brackets fit 8-inch, 22-inch, and 32-inch LED light bars, straight or curved. The custom designed mounting brackets allow for a direct and easy bolt-on installation of HEISE LED light bars without any drilling, cutting, or modifications. Mount these light brackets along with the HE-DR8, HE-DRC22, and HE-SL32 light bars to give you adequate lighting. The different sizes allow you to install the LED light bars in and on a variety of off-road applications like an ATV, UTV, dirt bike, vehicle grills, hoods, and more. For more information, please go to metropowersports.com.